Today we have this beautiful Audi A1 in for rear parking sensors. Starting off with Mike removing the bumper, and Jack removing the interior trim, ready for the wiring harness. Removing the rear quarter panel on these can be tricky, but by removing the rear seat it's a lot easier. Now the bumper is off, Mike can start drilling all 4 holes in the OEM placements, ready for the punch to come through and leave us with perfect holes ready for the sensors. Now all 4 holes have been drilled and punched, it's ready for just a little bit of tape primer and the sensors can be installed. Whilst Mike was cracking on with the bumper, Jack was getting the wiring from the front of the vehicle to the rear and getting it all tied up, ready for the bumper to be put back on. Now I know the boys are quick, but only turn my back for 5 minutes and the bumper is already going on. Once the bumper was back on and wiring is now in, it's time for some power, earth and canvas, so we can start talking to the module to get it to show on the head unit. And that's it, it's all done. All we've got to do now is test, make sure we're all happy, then it's ready to come out of the workshop to another happy customer.